Hey everyone. Today I'm excited to share my experience with the Philips Series 7000 Multigroomer, a versatile grooming tool that promises to handle all your trimming needs. Whether you're tidying up your beard, styling your hair, or taking care of body grooming, this device claims to do it all. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. I've been using the Philips Series 7000 for a while now, and I've put it through the paces on everything from daily beard maintenance to the occasional full-body grooming session. So far, it's been quite a reliable tool, but let's break down the features that make it stand out, as well as a few things that could be better. First off, the DualCut technology. This is where Philips has doubled up on the blades to ensure maximum precision. The idea here is that more blades equal a cleaner, sharper cut. And honestly, I've noticed that this trimmer does a fantastic job at delivering consistent results. The blades are also self-sharpening, which means they stay as sharp as the day you got them, without the need for regular maintenance. This is a big plus if you're someone who doesn't want to worry about blade upkeep. Now, let's talk about the attachments. This trimmer comes with 14 different attachments, and each one serves a specific purpose. The nose and ear trimmer attachment is another handy tool. It's designed to remove unwanted hair without nicks or irritation. The body shaver and skin protector attachments are what I use for body grooming. The skin protector system is especially useful when trimming sensitive areas. The precision trimmer is my go-to for detailing around the edges of my beard and sideburns. The narrow design really helps to get those sharp lines without much effort. The precision shaver is ideal for cleaning up the edges of your cheeks, chin, and neck after trimming. I've found that it works great for that final touch, giving your beard a polished look. The full-size trimmer is perfect for your beard and head hair. It delivers a clean and even trim, whether you're going for a close shave or maintaining a bit of length. The 8 reinforced cutting guards come in various sizes for different trimming needs. There are 2 stubble combs for that 1 mm or 2 mm look, an adjustable beard comb, 3 hair combs at 9 mm, 12 mm, and 16 mm, and 2 body combs for 3 mm and 5 mm grooming. These guards are sturdy and snap on securely, so I've never had to worry about them popping off mid-trim. Let's move on to how it feels in hand. The Series 7000 has a rubberized grip that makes it easy to hold and control, even when wet. The trimmer's weight is well balanced. Not too heavy, but not too light either. This gives you that feeling of control, especially when you're working on more detailed areas like sideburns or around the ears. One feature I've found particularly helpful is the LED light indicator. This gives you a visual cue on the battery status so you know when it's time to charge. Speaking of the battery, Philips promises up to 120 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and in my experience, that's pretty accurate. I've gone a couple of weeks between charges with regular use, which is impressive. Plus, if you're in a rush, the quick 5-minute charge is enough for a full trim. The trimmer is also showerproof, which adds a layer of convenience if you prefer to groom in the shower. It's fully washable, making it easy to clean under the tap. After each use, I simply rinse it under water, and it's good to go for the next time. So, what's my verdict? The Philips Series 7000 has been a solid addition to my grooming routine. The precision, variety of attachments, and the convenience of being showerproof make it a versatile tool that handles most tasks with ease. However, no product is without its quirks. While I appreciate the range of attachments, I do feel that the adjustable beard comb could offer a bit more versatility in length settings. And as with any trimmer, using it without a guard does require a bit of caution, as it can grab at your skin if you're not careful. Overall, I'd say the Philips Series 7000 is a reliable, all-in-one grooming solution, especially if you're looking for something that's easy to maintain and delivers consistent results. It's been a great fit for my needs, and if you're in the market for a new trimmer, it's definitely worth considering. Here's a quick sample of a shave with some quirky music. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with the Philips Series 7000, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Join me by subscribing when I put the Series 7000 up against the 9000 and help me reach that elusive 1000 subscribers. See you in the next video.